Tune into learning English for your daily commute. Hello learners, welcome back. Today, we're going to turn your daily commute into a fun, productive English learning session. We'll be focusing on the interesting activities that you can do during your commute. More specifically, we'll explore how you can use your time commuting to work or school to listen to music, podcasts, or audiobooks to boost your English skills. So, put on your headphones and get ready to learn English on the move. Firstly, let's look at why this is a beneficial activity. As you travel, you often have spare time that can be utilized. By listening to English materials, you can improve your language skills, especially your listening comprehension. Whether you are on a train, bus, or walking, you can dive into the English language through the power of audio. Remember, it's all about making the most of your time and turning every moment into a learning opportunity. English music is not just enjoyable, it's also a fantastic learning tool. You can learn new vocabulary, understand expressions and idioms, and even get a feel for different accents. If you enjoy singing along, this can also help with your pronunciation. To start, choose songs with clear lyrics and at a pace that suits your listening skills. With time, you can progress to more complex songs. Podcasts are an incredible resource for language learning. They cover a wide range of topics, from business English to casual conversations. Listening to podcasts can help you understand different dialects and accents, enhance your vocabulary, and grasp sentence structures. You can listen to episodes repeatedly to ensure comprehension. The key is to find a podcast that interests you and matches your language proficiency level. Audiobooks provide the benefit of listening to longer narratives in English. You can follow a story, understand the plot, and grasp the context in which words and phrases are used. Listening to an audiobook is much like reading, but with the added advantage of hearing the language as it's spoken. Like podcasts, choose audiobooks that match your proficiency and interest. And there you have it. Your daily commute is now a mini English language lesson. Remember, it's not just about what you listen to, but how you actively engage with it. Make notes of new vocabulary, try to understand the context, and don't be afraid to replay parts you didn't get the first time. English is a journey, not a destination, so enjoy the ride. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you find these tips helpful for turning your commute into a productive English learning time. Until next time, happy learning!